That is the introduction by voluntary stammering round. So you must try to describe your introduction in any other way. Okay, for example, whatever is your hobby, right? Whatever is your hobby. For example, my hobby is to play drums. So I will try to introduce myself in other way that yes, hello guys, my name is Mr. Drummer and I have a keen interest on drum sets and I like to play drums and I want to be a musician in my life. So this type of introduction. You don't have to say your name also. Okay, so try. So just think how will introduce yourself and then just try. So I hope Anuj is ready for the new intro round. Anuj,
Yeah.
yes, whatever your goal of life is, whatever your hobby is, whatever you want to be,
I am
yes.
a sto-
Tell.
name is storyteller, and my hobbies are to watch movies and watch stories. And my aim in life is to become an actor and to tell stories to other people and to make movies on them.
Okay, wonderful Anuj, wonderful try. Yes, I hope your aim, you become successful in this field. Okay. So next I will request Yatarth to please introduce yourself, your other side of your life. And yes, obviously in a funny way, if you can.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, hey guys, my name is Web see, Series Analyzer, and I re- re- recommend web see, series to watch, and I also like to review the web series also. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Vishnu.
Yeah, okay. Very, very thank you, Yatarth. Yes, it was wonderful intro. Very, very thank you. Next I will request Subhash Thakur to please give a intro about yourself, a
Yes,
new way.
yes. Hello, guys. I am a footballer, and my aim in life is to become a footballer, and uh, and I want to play football every day. Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. Very, very thank you, Subhash Thakur. That was a wonderful try. Very, very thank you, Subhash. Sorry, Mr. Footballer. Yes. Next, I will request Alok to give a new intro about yourself.
Hello. So hi. Uh, so my name is Light because I am doing a PhD in physics, and uh, my name is my real name is Alok. So uh, so uh, the Hindi version of Light is uh, uh, also Alok. So uh, s- so I'm uh, since I'm so I want to uh, so I love to research in light applications. So
Okay.
yes,
Yeah, okay. Very, very thank you, Mr. Light. Very, very thank you. Wonderful intro. That was. Thank you. Next, I will request Rotenu sir to please give a new intro about yourself.
What is this
Give a
actually?
different name to.
Okay, different.
Okay, this is okay. Okay, yes, yes. Different name means whatever your hobbies is. Uh, I mean, try to suggest a name with respect to your hobbies or with respect to the goal of your life.
Okay,
And yes, I mean,
okay,
yes.
okay,
Okay,
fine.
that's it.
So my
Yes.
name is Router. Actually, so I am from a networking field. So I take decision best. I take decision on the information whatever I have according to the. So I if I need to reach a destination, I decide all the things information on whatever routing table I have. So best path I need to choose whatever information I need to have. Thank you, Krishnendu.
Yeah, okay, very, very thank you, Mr. Router. Yes, that was wonderful introduction. Thank you. Next, I will request Mr. Businessman, that is Somnatha, to please introduce yourself with a different way.
Hello, good evening to all of you. And I am a mind reader, and also I am a I am passionate about sports and enjoy every moment of life and also I love to learn new skills and love to hear others life experience. So thank you so much, Krishandu.
Yeah, very, very thank you, Mr. Mind Reader. Yes, that was a very good intro and obviously very good volunteer stammering. Very, very thank you. Next, I will request Arpit Rajoria to give the intro in a different way.
Yeah, so actually I have joined late. So can you please explain that how to give the introduction in a different way?
Whatever your hobbies are or whatever your goal in your life, you have to give an intro in such a way that your name is changed with respect to your hobby or your goal of life, and then you have to give the intro in a funny way.
Okay. So good evening everyone. I am a magician and I basically like to do magics on the stage. And apart from this, I also like to do meditation because it really helps me to read the mind of others, and it also helps me to improve on my stage performance. So yeah, that is all.
Okay, okay. Very, very thank you, Arpit. Very, very thank you for the wonderful intro. So it's my turn now. I hope everybody has got the chance. Yes. Hello guys, my name is Mr. Magician and I play drums and I am obviously a very good friend for the guys who are very sad in their life because obviously when a guy is sad, they likes to hear the music. So I am a not foe but a friend for them. So that is my small intro. Maybe thank you guys for listening to me. So our round one has been completed.